the screen. Today, this video is sponsored by RAYCON. Shout out to them for checking out the 2K channel, enjoying the content, and sending over a good product that can also help me with my work. RAYCON, it's in fancy packaging. They said they wanted me to be more realistic and honest. It is in fancy packaging, okay? Headphones 2 is a good quality headphones, like worth around $95, but it's still cheaper comparable to other prices that you'll see on the market. Active noise cancellation earbuds. Now these are earbuds, all right, not headphones. Earbuds, all right. Awareness mode, IP66 water resistant, so it's water resistant as well too. So somebody splashes some water, throwing some water on you while, you know, let's say you walking past like a cookout or something, you know, somebody hit you with a water balloon, you good to go. Okay, they didn't know you had your RAYCONs in because these are earbuds, so they just go right in the ear. They also come with a protection case, okay, so you can choose different colors. I chose the sunset color, as you guys can see. Sunset color, very good, very good. See, look, clear detail of the boxes. Here's the sunset case that it comes with. Here's the RAYCON earbuds, everyday earbuds, okay? And I got the blue color, small build with a oh so mighty sound, okay? Protect what you own. So first, it has this nice sliding out case. When you first open it, it just slides out, okay? Very easy. You don't have to rip up your box. Ooh, and we get some type of card that slides out. What is this? Power up, comes with basically showing you everything. Product protection, everyday purchase, earn $1 for every 10. Okay, there it is. And this is just like a little manual showing you things about the RAYCON. Okay, I like that. Here's where the magic happens. So first off, this is how it comes in this little container right here. Okay, this little blue container right here. And I wonder if this is the same container like that protects the case. See, it comes with, I guess, extra earbuds right here, you see. And then we have a cord right here. Okay, wonder what this cord is for. What does it charge? 9 times out of 10, that's what it's for. Okay, so take it out. You can see it. It comes in this blue case right here, RAYCON. Let's see how the headphones actually look. Oh my lord! Now look, this is fire. That's fire. This fire. Look, it has like a little light right here. So this is when you put it in, you charge it. Okay, this is the charging cord. This definitely makes sense now. This is the charging cord. And then there's that little light. Like once I opened it up, that little light went on. You seen the headphones beeping. This is some high quality product. Okay, shout out to y'all, RAYCON. I appreciate this. This is high quality. Here's the earbuds. Chargeable. You charge them up, put them in the cord, and they just ready to go. Oh yeah. Let me see. I'm trying to picture like I'm walking down the street right now. Let me see. Ooh, pair sound, low battery. It said low battery, power off. Okay. It sounds pretty good too. That girl just talking in my ears. Like that's a fake walk, but nah, these feel like these. They feel good. They're, you know how you put certain earbuds in your ear and it just feels uncomfortable. It literally says RAYCON 2 when you power it on. Okay, that's nice. These are lovely. Whoa, hold on, RAYCON, y'all going off. And they're magneted, so it's like, you know, when you put something in, you like, oh, I don't want it to fall out. There's magnets on it. There's literally magnets, so when you put it in, it like sucks right in. That is fire. Damn, they really sent me something really nice. And with OG Almighty promo code, OG Almighty 5, use that promo code. They really sent me something beautiful. Thank you, RAYCON. I'm very appreciative of this. This is not even a cap. They said I could be honest. The more authentic, that's what they want. This is a nice gift. It's like, what we going on Christmas season? I appreciate this. Now let's check out the case. The sun comes with a latch, so that is beautiful. It comes with a latch you can attach to yourself so you're not losing it. You know, you keep it clipped on to something. Beautiful, beautiful. Raycon did nice. They did nice with this sponsorship. So here's the case. The sunset case is how it looks. It's kind of soft too. So it's a certain material where it definitely protects it. And you need this protected because this is how you charge your earbuds. Okay? Right here's the charger plug. You're going to plug this charger into it. Charge it up. So you want this protected. If you're having this drop everywhere and you don't have it in your case, this case is very soft. I can feel it on the case. It's very, very soft. It's a certain material that you can tell it's made to protect it. It goes in there like that. You see it, Raycon. So if I dropped it, boom. Oh, actually when I dropped it right here, it's like, it's kind of soft material. Make it like bounce a little. That's weird. In a good way. All right. So here it is, the sunset case. I mix and match the blue with the sunset. Okay. Here it is, people. We have it. Yes. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Lock me in. You can open it up like that. Take a look at it. See it. I'm very, very thankful to the RAYCON company. Like I said, links and descriptions will be in the comment section below and in the description. All right. Make sure y'all support me. Support this sponsorship. Support the brand. Use my discount code. Get your % off. Tap in with RAYCON. I appreciate y'all. Hit the like, subscribe. I'll see y'all later.